welcome to today's episode. It's another day, another ride, like as usual, and today I'm riding with R15 Bikers of Bangalore. It's a clan ride basically. Here is my whole clan. Vedha.
How are you, bro?
All good. How are you?
Expecting you at WM.
Shiva. WMD I went home, else how will I miss Mahisha? Oh, busy Mahisha. Dabba.
How are you?
All good. Hi. How are you? Long time, huh? Eju? Hi, Rudra. Huh? Trilok, okay. And you? Tarun, okay. That's the lineup. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Anyway, on the way you can. So today we are heading to a lake. I hope I'm gonna pronounce it correctly. That's Markonahalli Kare, or either it is Markonahalli Lake, you can call it. That's pretty close to the Hassan highway. And look at this, 80 is the speed limit and we are making 74, 73, which is pretty good. It's a Sunday, clean morning. I mean, nice climate to go for a ride, and you can see a lot of bikers lined up over here going some other place. These are some of the ways when you find these hand signals and this or following all the traffic rules useful. So it was quite some time I couldn't ride with R15 Bikers of Bangalore. Thought of riding with them with the World Motorcycle Day. However, I wasn't in the town. So here is a deviation which takes us towards Hassan. Just a pit stop to make sure everyone is here. That's all are here, and we are good to go. So this is the point. This is the Four Cross point, which leads you from Bangalore. If you come, the left side goes to Hassan. So this is the road, Hassan Road. Very beautiful road. So this, as I was saying earlier, that this road is one of the beautiful, clean road, or you can say one of the very well-maintained road which goes out of Bangalore. The way this road is beautiful, this road also leads to such beautiful places, like it starts from Hassan, then Belur. You can go even towards Chikmagalur. I don't know if we can call it to view paradise. The path of paradise is also like paradise. So here we are stopping the Shark Food Court, said to be as one of the best over here. So we are done with the breakfast. Pretty much good experience. Out of many places we had breakfast on the highways, this was one of the best, I could say. Food is awesome. If you like South Indian dishes as a breakfast, that was one of the best. I guarantee you that. You can just stop by when you're going on a Hassan. Let me show you a little glimpse of how the club R15 Bikers of Bangalore ride together. That's how the sexy the lineup will always be. There's a division on the left hand side of the highway to get into this lake. Kodli. You can put this place name Kodli to get the deviation. If this is the road which leads to the lake, then it's well and nice, amazing. The moment I was talking about the road is such a nice road. Hopefully this road will take us until the lake. My bad. There's a smaller road started. Over here, right in front of us. And there's a bit of off-roading. Let us capture all these waves. We can call it a bit of off-roading. Yeah. Lake roads are always like this. When the picture lineup happen or takes place, I would have them capture. So this was the lake which was done. Like I was saying, this is the backwater. We are heading on to the dam, which is I believe on the right hand side. So this was the backwater. Like I was saying, we headed to. Now we are heading towards the dam. I believe, yes, this is the dam. Some unexplored places we are heading to. This is a non-operated dam, Markonahalli Kere, Markonahalli Lake, which has a dam, and these are the doors which are no more into operations. So that's the reason it is completely closed, and that's a park. If you really wanted to come over there and have some quite good time, then that's the park. So you can come over there and sit over there and spend some quality time, and you can take a walk on the top of the dam. So that's a staircase as well to head on, and there are other routes from inside the park, and then before, like I was saying, the starting of the dam. So in that side you can get on the top of the dam. That's all guys from today's vlog. This is Markonahalli Dam and we are heading back home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed, do click on like, and if you have any suggestions which will help me doing the video better for you guys, I would always appreciate you guys to put your comments in the comment section. That will help me in making more good videos in future. As always, ride safe, follow all the traffic rules, be safe. If you are new over here, do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well in order to watch more such videos from me. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.